In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook date of birth change problem on Facebook. Solve this problem. You can follow the step by step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Update your Facebook apps. Tap on search. Tap on search icon. Search Facebook apps. From here, you make sure your Facebook apps is updated. If your Facebook apps is not updated, then update your Facebook apps. It helps to fix Facebook date of birth change problem. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook application. Tap on Facebook. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps to fix Facebook date of birth change problem on Facebook. Step 3. Open Facebook app. Tap on profile picture on top right corner. Tap on setting icon. Tap on personal details. Scroll down. Again tap on personal details. Then tap on birthday. Then tap on edit your birthday. Set your birthday date. And change it. Cannot change your birthday. You cannot change your date of birth right now. You have changed your birthday too many times. You are typing to set an unrealistic or suspicious date. Then you can solve this problem. Wait a few days or week, and if you recently change it, you might have to wait 7 or 30 days to try again. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this.